So it just worked out. And then I made some oatmeal. And I put some peanut butter and bananas. And it's gonna be so good. I'm literally so excited. Cannot wait. At the sun. Don't mind how bad I look. I'm just gonna do like some simple makeup. I've been using this Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. And it kind of feels like a primer. Like I always do it before I do my makeup. And I really like it. Because I feel like, I don't know. I just really like it. So, yeah. And then, where else? And I always spray the Smashbox primer water. I'm almost out of it. Wow. And I just literally did the piece and just sprayed on. But I always do that. And then I'm just gonna use the Instant Age Rewind. So just that, just as a base before you go on with your eyeshadow. Which is be sad, but whatever. I'm just going to do my hair, and I've had it in a ponytail pretty much all day, and oh my gosh, that window is the annoying. Yeah. But yeah. Ugh. Okay, so all you need is a brush, any kind of dry shampoo. This is the Preta powder from Bumble and Bumble, the nourishing one. And then I have the Brilliantine and a comb, because I'm not going to be using any hot tools. I'm just gonna, let's see. So this is what my hair looks like. I last washed it on, Saturday? Yeah, I washed it Saturday. So it hasn't been too terribly long, but I just don't want to put any heat on it, and my hair's already smoothed out. Like, I used a round brush on it. So I'm just going to take, actually, first you want to take your dry shampoo and just spray that at your root. And just mix that and, you know, soak up your oils and just kind of like work it through your hair. I mean, I would say with dry shampoo, depending on if you use a powder or a spray, you don't want to overdo it, because then you really just feel like you need to wash your hair. And then I'm just going to comb it out a little bit. You can use whatever comb you want, but I like this one. And then I'm going to take the Brilliantine. And the Brilliantine is by Bumble and Bumble. And you only use a little bit. You can use it on damp hair or dry hair. I don't really use it when my hair is damp. I mostly use it when it's dry because it helps smooth the hair. It's just a cream, and I literally do like a dime size, like not even, and just mix it up in your hand and then work it through can lift your hair up because I feel like it gives a little volume. And wherever you have like any kinks in your hair, smooth it out. It just makes your hair look so much more put together. At least I feel like it does. See, look at that. It's incredible. Like such a difference. And then I'm gonna just tease my hair a little bit at the root. Nothing crazy. That's all you need to do. It's so simple and it just refines your hair so much, and you only use 2 products and just brush your hair out and it looks way more put together and it's wonderful. You can do this on previously curled hair, straightened hair, but if you have dry shampoo and the Brilliantine and a comb and a brush, it's going to change everything. So I would definitely advise doing that. So this video was kind of all over the place, but just felt like I should do something. I honestly want to just do more hair videos. I mean, I'm going to. I want to do more hair videos, just all hair. So if you're watching this, leave me some comments. Like, I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to curl short hair, what kind of curling iron to use. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 different ones. I think I'm gonna do a bigger one and a smaller one. Just some weaves, some loose curls, whatever. So hopefully we'll have that up next week. And yeah, so I hope you have a good day, and hopefully you don't live anywhere where it snows, because it's snowing so much and I'm over it, and it's only January, so that's sad. So see you later. Bye.